Welcome to Provins, France, a medieval town where the echoes of history resonate through its charming streets and magnificent landmarks. Just 90 kilometers southeast of Paris, Provins offers the perfect day trip away from the hustle and bustle of the capital, easily accessible via a scenic train ride. Provins is a treasure trove of medieval architecture and history. As you step off the train and into this enchanting town, you'll immediately be captivated by its timeless beauty. The medieval buildings, with their timber frames and stone foundations, create an atmosphere that transports you back to the days of knights and troubadours. One of the most striking landmarks in Provins is the Saint-Quiriace collegiate church. This impressive structure, with its Romanesque and Gothic elements, has stood the test of time since the 12th century. As you approach the church, its imposing presence and intricate architectural details will leave you in awe. Inside, the serene ambience invites you to pause and reflect, surrounded by centuries of history. Not far from the Saint-Quiriace church, you'll find the Priory Church of Saint-Quiriace. This church is renowned for its stunning stained glass windows, which are nothing short of breathtaking. The vivid colours and intricate designs of the windows tell stories from the Bible and the lives of saints, casting a kaleidoscope of light across the interior. Each window is a masterpiece, a testament to the artistry and devotion of the medieval craftsmen who created them. As you wander through Provins, take time to admire the medieval buildings that line its streets. These structures, with their quaint facades and steeply pitched roofs, offer a glimpse into the town's rich past. Many of these buildings have been lovingly preserved and now house charming shops, cafes, and museums. Provins is not just a town frozen in time, it is a living, breathing celebration of its heritage. Throughout the year, the town hosts various events that bring its medieval history to life. The Medieval Festival is a highlight, transforming Provins into a vibrant tapestry of jousting, tournaments, markets, and performances that recreate the lively atmosphere of its medieval fairs. One of the joys of visiting Provins is its relative tranquility. Unlike the crowded streets of Paris, Provins offers a peaceful retreat where you can explore at your own pace. Whether you're marveling at the architecture, enjoying a quiet moment in a historic church, or savouring a meal in a quaint restaurant, Provins provides a serene escape from the modern world. Provins is the perfect day trip destination from Paris. It's a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle, immerse yourself in medieval history, and experience the charm of a bygone era. Whether you're drawn by the majestic churches, the beautiful stained glass windows, or the tranquil medieval streets, Provins promises a day filled with discovery and delight. We hope you enjoyed this video. Happy exploring.